Yes. Is there any other doubt?
Well, let me check, sir.
In the fraction, do you have any question?
Oh, yes, sir, I'm checking, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No. So moving ahead to the next topic, that is fraction and then decimal. In decimal also
Yes,
you
sir.
have some difficulties, I think.
Yes, I have two doubts, sir. Sorry,
Yes,
three.
tell me.
Yes, sir. The first one is 3B.
3B. So how can you do
B,
it?
sir.
3?
So 9 minus 1. Yes, sir.
So 9 minus 1
Minus.
decimal 824.
Yes, sir. Wouldn't that give me the answer in negative, sir?
Negative. It will given to you in negative.
Yes, sir. Since
Not possible.
1.8.
Because this you can write as this. 3 zeros you
Yes,
can
sir. Yes.
add and 1
Yes,
decimal
sir. Sorry, sir.
824.
Yes, sir. I got it completely wrong. I understood the.
Ah.
I understood the question.
Okay. Here just you can apply the word Nikhilam. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
With the help of Vedic math also you can do it perfectly. That is 9 minus 1 is?
Yes, sir.
9 minus 1 is
9
8.
minus 1.
8 minus 1 is 7. And then
Yes, sir.
here what is the answer? 7 decimal. 9 minus 8.
9 minus 8 is
1.
1,
9
sir.
minus 2, 7, and 10 minus 4 is
7,
6.
6.
This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
This is 7 decimal 176. That is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is there any other question?
No, yes, sir. Yes, sir. The next question. The next question in decimal is 4C, sir.
4C. You need to just
Yes,
multiply 0 decimal 02 times 1 decimal 7. First of all, I request
yes, sir.
remove the decimal place. For working for the division and for the multiplication, remove the decimal place. Just forget the decimal.
So
First, just forget the decimal. Okay.
So if we
So
multiply
this is become
something
2
else
times
in a
70.
decimal point, it will just be the
2 and
double of
70.
the number.
So number is 2 and 70. So multiply this one. 2 times 17 is how much?
2 times 17, sir.
34,
sir.
34. And now count how many digits are there after the decimal place in both the number. Here it is 2 decimal, 2 digit, and here it is 1 digit. So in total, how much? It is of the 3 digit. So now you need to count from the right side. 4,
Yes,
3,
sir.
1 digit, 2 digit. Here the 3 digit. And then put a decimal place and thereafter a 0. So 0.034, that is the answer.
0.034.
Do you understand why I am putting
Yes, sir.
decimal after writing a 0?
Yes, sir. Because 0.02 is in the hundreds, sir.
And not 100, just count how many digits it have after the decimal place.
2.
2. And here?
2 there, sir.
Here 1.7. How many digits are there after the decimal place?
1.7. After the decimal, there is 1, sir.
1 digit. So in together, how many digits it has after the decimal point?
Yes, sir. So the 3, sir.
3. That's the reason I am start counting from the right hand side to make the decimal place now.
Okay.
After doing the calculation, we can do it like this.
Okay.
Just for the putting of the decimal place in the right place.
Okay, sir. Sir. So for a division with like 0.2, 0.08, so for the 10th question is 6.4 divided by 0.2, sir.
So 6 decimal 4 division 0 decimal 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, for doing this, for doing the division in the previous class, what I say, For doing the division of the decimal place, you need to remove the decimal first. Convert this into the fraction. So, can you convert this into the fraction? 6 decimal 4. How can you convert this into the fraction? Do you know how to convert the decimal into the fraction? Sam?
Sir, yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I am hearing you. Just tell me, are you able to convert its decimal number into the fraction?
Sir, for
No, your sound is lagging. Hello? Hello? Yes. So here for this, what you need to do, convert for doing the division particularly, okay? Convert the decimal place or decimal number into fraction. So how can you convert this one? So 6 decimal 4 is written like, just remove this decimal place and put put a division sign and put
can you hear
1.
me? Sir,
Yes.
can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I am hearing you. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Sorry for that, sir.
Okay.
I was inside the house and I couldn't get signal. I am in my native, sir. That's why.
Okay, it's okay. So here what you need to do, just convert the decimal number into the fraction first.
So it will be 664 by 100, sir.
Not 100, it's 10 only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 64 under 10. Similarly, 0.2. Yes. What? How can you write it? This will become
0.2 under 10.
So it will become 2 under 10. So the first digit is 64 times 10, division 2 times 2 under 10. Now,
yes.
And then you need to just convert into just reverse the number. Numerator to denominator, denominator to
10
numerator.
Under 64 and 10 under 2 multiply it, sir.
Yes. Just reduce the number.
Okay.
10 cut out and 2, when you divide this number, it will give you 32. So the final answer is 32.
32. Okay. It will be 3 decimals too, no, sir?
No. Not 3 decimals. Here we are already convert the number. Here we are already putting the digit instead of decimal. So there is no need to put further. If there is certain number is left after the division in the denominator, then we can convert this number into the decimal. Suppose we can come to see question number B. See, might be possible. Here, 0.824. How can you write it?
So
convert this number into the fraction.
In the fractions, so for 0.824, sir, it will be 824 under 100, sir.
Not 100.
Sorry, under 1000. Under 1000.
Good. Division.
And then
Next
0.
number.
And then 0.0 8 under 100, sir.
8 under 100. Now see, I am just start working. 824 1000 multiply how much? 108.
8.
How many 0 it have? 1 0.
3.
Wait, let me.
2 0.
1 0 1 0. 1 0
Yes,
1
sir.
0. Do it.
Yes, sir.
Now 8 and 8 times 1 is 8. 2
yes, sir.
not possible, so put it 0 over here and 8 times 3. So now what is the number? 103 under 10. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now, as you see in the denominator, it have the 1 0. That is 10. Now,
yes, sir.
it's your time to convert this fraction into the decimal.
0.3. It will be to a 10.3.
Yes. This is the correct answer. So the answer is 10.3. Not here. Okay. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand why I am not putting any decimal number with the 32?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now tell me, is there any other question?
No, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt from any other topic?
No, sir.
No. All right. Now, here today we are going to discuss the percentage.
Yes, sir.
So just tell me, convert to fraction. In the first question, what it say? Convert to fraction. How can you do it? 18%. What do you mean by percent? Is there any idea about any idea?
Yes, sir. 80% is like it's about is a certain number of hundreds. So, for example, if you have 18%, so and
18%
so if
means
you have
what?
100 people, if you have 100 people, 18% will equal to 18 people.
18 under 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, 7% means what? 7 under 100.
7. Yes, sir.
So
So
whatever the
fraction
percent.
will just
Yes.
be under 100.
Yes. Absolutely correct.
Even 24.
So convert to percentage. How can you convert to percentage? 11 under 20.
11 under 20.
Hmm.
Uh, first you should try and get the denominator to 100, sir.
No. For this, what you need to do, just multiply it by 100.
Oh, so we'll have 110.
That will become 110, no, 1100.
Yes, sir.
Under 20.
Yes, sir.
And now you do it 0 and can put it 5 and 5. So this will become 55%.
Sir? Sir?
Yes.
An easier way to do it won't be like to convert the denominator to 100 and use the same number we used to convert the denominator on the first, like for 20, 11 under 20, 20 divided by 100 will equal 5, sir. So if we multiply 11 by 5, we will get 55, no?
Okay, you can also do it like this, no issue. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can do it for the mixed fraction too.
Yes, sir. So for mixed fraction, we should first convert it into improper fraction, no, sir?
So how much it is?
So improper, it will be 4 divided by 1, sir, which will.
No.
Sir,
What is the fraction here? 114. Convert this one.
sir, 114, sir.
In the previous class, I also told you.
Sir?
What you are going to write? 114. 114 will become 4 times 1
Sorry, sir.
plus 1
4
under
4
4.
5, 4, sir.
How much it is? 4 times 1 is
It
4 and 1 5. So it will become 5 under 4.
Yes, sir. Sorry for that, sir. I spaced out for a second.
So how much percentage it is?
So 5 by 4, sir. So we'll multiply them by 100. 5 by 100, which will equal 500 by 4, sir. But
So
since there is not, but since there isn't 0 and 5, so it would equal to 500%, sir.
No, how can you say it is 500%? First, you have
1
to
minute,
convert
sir.
this number into the number first. As here is a division sign, so do the division first. Divide both the number by 2. How much it is? This will become 250. This will become
125%, sir.
Yes, 125%.
Yes, sir.
Now convert to decimal. Same method. You need to convert into a decimal. How can you do it? 9%.
9 side will be 0.09.
Okay. Convert to decimal. 23.8%.
23.1. Convert to 23.8%, sir. Oh, it's convert to percentage.
No, convert to decimal. You need to convert into the
It's all.
decimal.
It's already a decimal. It's like
Ah,
23 decimal, right?
but decimal place should be changed.
Oh,
When
okay,
you
sir.
have the
So,
percentage sign, definitely there is change.
yes, sir. So it will be 2.38%, 2.2 decimal 38, sir.
That is 100. So you need to divide it by 100 again. So here it
Yes,
will
sir.
become 0
2
decimal
decimal 38.
238.
Okay. So the decimal point before the multiplication doesn't count.
Yes.
Okay, sir. So 12 1 by 2, sir. We should convert that to improper fraction, sir. So 2 times 12 is 24, sir. 24 plus 1
No,
is 25, sir. We'll have, sir.
do it again. Not 24. From where you do it 20, 12 and half. How much it is?
Sir, 12 times 2 is 25, sir. Sorry,
Okay.
12 times 2 is 4, sir. 24 plus 1 is 25, sir.
Good. So
20,
25 under 2.
25 under 2, sir, which
Ah,
will equal to, so 25 under 2. First, we should convert it into percentage and get it decimal, or just
just
directly
multiply
into
it
decimal.
into 100.
So 25 times. We will have 2500, sir.
Under 2. Now you can do it.
Yes,
Do the division.
yes, sir. I'm doing it, sir.
This will become 1250. Right now, there is, or you
Yes, sir.
can put it after put a decimal and after put a 20 or 10.
Yes, sir.
So convert this into the percentage.
So 0.085, sir.
Ah,
So since 100 has 2 zeros, it will be 8.5 percentage, sir.
so for this, what you need to do, first remove the decimal. So after removing,
Yes,
how
sir.
much you got? 8500,000
Yes, sir.
multiplied by 100. One zero
Yes, sir.
one
We'll
zero
have.
1010. So it will be 10.
Yes, sir.
So how much it is?
Yes, sir. 8.5 percentage.
8.5%.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. So 1 minute, sir.
Yes.
1 minute, sir. Sorry for that, sir.
Okay. So moving ahead to the next
Sir,
question.
can you hear me?
Yes, I am able to hear you.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir?
yes.
Mm.
Just give me a moment.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir?
moving ahead to the next question. I hope you understood now. Just jump to the question number 10.
Question number 2.
Ah,
Sir, A or B, sir?
A.
5 kilograms of sugar, 8 kilograms of salt, and 7 kilograms of flowers were mixed incidentally. What is the percentage by weight of sugar in the mixture?
Ah,
So
how can you do it?
yes, sir. So first, 5 plus 8 plus 7, sir, which will
Good.
equal 20.
Ah,
So 20 times 5 will equal 100, sir. Meaning 25 percentage of 25% is sugar, sir.
how can you say here in the addition of the total ingredients is how much? 20 kg.
20, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
out of, you have to find the percentage of what? Sugar. So out of
Yes, sir.
20, it is 5 kg.
Yes, sir.
So it should be
Yes, sir.
520.
Yes, sir.
So convert this
Times
into the
100.
percentage. This is 100. So this will become 520.
500.
That will give you how much? 25%.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Mm.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Now, come to question number 9A.
Sir. 7% of my spending money was spent on a watch band that cost $1.12. How much spending money did I have? 1.12 is 7%, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Hmm.
1 minute, sir.
So what is the equation here you can play?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. I'm doing the sum, sir.
Ah.
Okay. So since it's a decimal, first we'll convert it into a fraction, sir.
Okay.
So which will give 1.12, sir. Which will be 112 under 100, sir.
Okay.
Then, sir, sorry, sir, I'm doing something wrong, sir. I don't get
Do you
this.
understand the question? What it says?
It says 7% of my spending money was spent on a watch band that cost 1.12. How much money spending money did I have, sir?
So how much money do you have? You are spending
Yes, sir.
$1.12 out of
Yes,
something.
sir.
Right now, out of something.
Yes,
So what is that amount? $1.12 is just 7% of the total amount you have.
yes, sir.
So what is the equation? How can you solve this one? So for this, what you need to do, let's say the total spending amount, Bx.
Yes, sir.
Here I am just framing the equation. So we can say x of 7% is equal to $1.12. Can you
Yes,
say
sir.
right now? So
Yes,
here what
sir.
you need, just this is the equation. This is the important equation that you need to frame. Do you understand how I am framing the equation?
Yes,
X of 7%. This is the 7% of what? X. That is the total amount,
yes,
total
sir.
bill you have. So how can you do it further? X of 7 under 100, which is equal to 1.12.
Yes, sir.
Now, further just do the cross multiplication. Do you know the method? Or balancing the equation. For this, what you need to do, this will become X times 7. Just I am multiplying the number by 100 both sides. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
What I am doing? Just I am multiplying 100 both the sides. Multiply by 100. So you will get this number,
Yes, sir.
and then I am just dividing both sides by 7.
Yes, sir.
This will give you 16. So you have the total amount of rupees 16 in your pocket, and out of $16, you are spending $1.12 in watching the band.
Yes, sir.
Do you understood how to solve this question?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now come to question number B. Or
Yes,
instead
sir.
of
So
this,
B question.
find 8A.
Oh,
8A.
8A, sir.
Yes.
7% of 84.3 meters, sir.
Yes.
So to find the 7% of 84.3 meters, we first need to find a 1% of it, sir, which should equal to 0.843, sir. And then we should multiply 0.843 by 7, sir, which equals 5.901, sir.
Yes.
5.901.
5.901. This is the 7% of 84.3. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Now come to question number 11A. Increase $60 by 15%.
Yes, sir. It's the same method, sir. So for for us to increase it by 15%, we should first find 1% of 60,
Good.
sir.
Good.
0.6, sir.
Okay.
Then we should multiply that by 15, sir. Which is 9, sir.
Yes. So how much it is
And
after
that
increasing?
is plus 9. 69, sir.
69. Yes, that is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Good. So in this way, I think you understood how to find the percentage. Right now?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So solve all the question of this 1.02D for today. And
Yes, sir.
Conversion fact you should know. You have to understood 1% and how you are going to convert to percentage to decimal and decimal to fraction, or either the way. Till now you can solve all the questions.
Yes, sir.
So for this,
Yes, sir.
you need to solve all the numerals here again for the revision. 1.03.
Yes,
What was the name after General Secretary of the United Nations in 1978? Okay. Just solve all the questions. Just come to question number S, this one.
Yes, sir. So I should finish it till 1.04.
And
before
then we can
1.04, I should have finished it.
Yes, you can do it. Do this one. Rational number.
Yes, sir.
Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Just solve this question. Question number 4. Solve this one.
Okay, sir. So I should solve question number 4 and 1.04. And then before that, I should have solved all other questions.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Sir?
What is the question? Two unit fraction have a difference of 3/8. What are they?
What are they? Yes, sir. 1/2 is one of the fractions.
1/2 is one of the fraction.
Yes, sir.
So what is the other?
Yes, sir.
Here is the clue is given to you. Some clue is also there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this is another clue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, meaning we just need to find the denominator, sir. Meaning 1/8 is one of the sums, sir. Meaning we should add 1/8 and the other and 3/8 to get
Yes. Yes, because it says the difference. Because it says difference.
Difference.
So like this. X minus y, that is equal to 3/8.
Yes, sir.
So
And
take this as
and they have given us 2 clues, sir. that one of the numerators is 1, sir. And then another part of the sum is also in 3/8. Since we know the numerator, meaning the denominator is the other part.
Just
so we will have 1/8 and 3/8. Then we just add them both.
Just see, 1/2 is one of the fraction. If the first fraction is 1/2, that means the number should be 1.5 is equal to 3/8.
Okay.
So what is x? So here you need to just 3/8 plus how much it is? 3/2.
Yes, sir.
So how much it is? Just do it. 8. So this
Yes, sir.
is 3 plus.
3 plus 12.
15 under 8.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now just check it. Question number 3. Find the number halfway between 12% and 20%.
Find the number halfway between 12% and 20%, sir.
What is the halfway?
16%, sir.
Yes, 16% is the halfway. Good.
Yeah.
Similarly, question number 10, just see. At the South Pole, the temperature dropped 15 degrees in 2 hours. Just see the question. I am coming to question number 10. At the South Pole, the temperature dropped 15 degrees in 2 hours from a temperature of minus 80 degrees C. What was the temperature after 2 hours?
So it is 15 minus 18, sir.
So how much it is?
It will so it drop. So you'll have 15 minus 33, sir.
Yes, the answer should be minus 33 degree C. Good. Question number 9. See, using a diameter growth rate of 4.3 mm per year. Find the number of years it will take for a tree with a diameter of 20 mm to reach a diameter of 50 mm.
So it takes 4.3 millimeters
per year.
Per year, sir. And then it's already at 20 millimeters. So we need
is
it
20.
30 millimeters, sir. 1 minute, sir. Let me 1 minute, sir. Let me do it.
Okay.
Sir, 7 years, sir.
7 years. Okay.
Yes, sir. It's between 6.5 and yes, sir.
6.5. So 6.5 years, right now?
No, sir. It will be between 6.5 and 7 years, sir.
Okay.
Because 7 years is 30 and 1 meter, sir. 1 millimeter, sir. So if we'll get 50.1 millimeters if it grows for 7 years, sir. So it will be around 6.75 years, sir. Or 6.8 months.
Okay. See, do it just in arithmetic. First year 24.3. Right now?
Yes, sir.
0 is 20. First year is 24.3. What is the second year?
Yes.
Similarly,
second year is
do the rise.
Second year
till 50 mm. How much year it will?
Yes, sir. Third year is 12.9.
Okay.
Until yes, sir, at 6. Yes, sir. It's between 6. It's between 6 years and 8 months and 7 years, sir.
Okay.
In 6 years and 8 months, give us 29.25.